Hello guys. Today we are playing rooftop parkour. Yes, and my name is Simon. Not actually. Yeah, not. Just Andre. Okay. So today, we're playing rooftop parkour. This is a parkour game. No, this is not a sponsor. I hate this. Wala. Wait lang. It's time to play. We're playing. Okay, but it's still lagging because of your faces. Oh, damn. Just thinking, don't unsubscribe. This, I appreciate it. And also, watch and learn from the best. We wait for the elevator because we are good and not bad.
Meanwhile,
Finally! Meanwhile,
I will show you.
finally!
Hey guys, today I will show you the sponsor of this video.
Wala ko sponsor.
Nothingness. It is the best sponsor in our community.
Yes sir, nothingness.
You can get 50% off if you subscribe to our
Spider-Man. I'm still a beginner, so don't.
Can you go first person?
Yes sir, I can do first person. This game is first person.
Catch you.
See that trampoline? Boom! First flat. See that hit line? Thunder sisters, joke right? I'm
Alive.
still alive.
But with no stairs, then you will be dead.
Oh no! Not good. Not good. It's good. For now. Or if we're in another map, so this map is the sunlight map. And it's there. It's very big. Good thing I have a suit on. So you see that blue thingy? You won't run over it. You won't run. Bye-bye. Whenever you get apart or anywhere. Anything. An alien fly in the air. Wee! Bili ba ito fly?
Dead ako din.
Later. Oh, I'm still playing in my land show. Boom. Spider-Man right over here. The fake one. Sunburn. Oh no. Yeah.
Oh, nya pa kusog din. Lupa din.
Oh no. No.
Wala tinood. Mamatay ra ka dali ba?
Oh.
Di mo ta mo pikit on nga inana, ba?
Spider-Man man eh.
Pwede man din na.
No.
Patry na ko. No. Saan dito? Saan dito? Inbound. I don't know what.
Wall run.
Saan pag wall run? Right now.
Nani ma? Wall run eh.
Oh, ragdoll. There is ragdoll here. Okay, let's.
It's my asin snake. It's like a hamster. Buti ka!
Not you.
Kadri.
On the line.
Not you. Not you. Not you.
Bro's dying.
Yeah, backflip. Oh no, I break the leg.
Headshot. My turn.
Kaya tayo multiplayer ng parkour na tulad eh.
No. Because this is multiplayer. Oh no!
That is not multiplayer. You
My
said
joystick has grease.
that you said that has no multiplayer.
Yes.
Dila pa yun. Ang dila dito.
Let's go.
Nangutot ka?
Si Buki.
Wala ka ha.
Ikaw. Nangutot ka ba?
Wala yun.
Meanwhile,
Dito din my joystick has too much grease.
yes. Yung tawag ato dre. Kanang game.
Rooftop parkour.
Negro.
Install now on your Play Store.
Next is we play Storer Parkour Pro.
No, because we don't have money.
Storer Parkour Pro.
So, on yan sa PS5 so you can even
You can
yeah. And I'll teach you how to wall run.
I will die.
How? How did I die? Watch. I will fly in the air for a second. For a second. Actually, that was wrong. Here you go.
1, 2.
I'm dying. Oh, I'm still alive.
Just scratch that.
I'm dead. Yes.
Jump.
A platform. Oh no.
What's that move?
Jump here. And kamlum.
Ano ba?
I'm alive.
Bro died. Bro died immediately. Stand up, bro. Stop kicking the butt.
Bro almost fell like the idiot guy. Look at this. I'm gonna jump in the fly high. Woo! And no.
My turn.
My turn.
This video is all about dying.
Kani.
And help me.
So many.
Oh.
Namatay na yun.
Look at me, guys. Parkour.
And he died.
I'm alive, guys. Just doing backflips. What is this? A ramp. I'm alive.
Anak na.
Ouch. What is that? Gimme.
Baka namatay si Woke. Wala pa siya namatay.
Look at me abs, guys.
Tagak na ki.
Yeah. I want to fly.
Patagak na ba? Patagak na ba si Woke ganiya?
Oh, what was that?
Patagak na ba ka ganiya ki?
Wala ka. Guys, inyo nakitaan ko natagak, guys ba? Wala. Tingnan gani mo mga viewers.
What?
Oh, isa
Kaya
na.
namatay siya.
Karon pa.
Ako sa.
Follow me.
Oh.
Close.
Luwa-luwa ta. Usapan ni.
Apit na ako. Apit na.
Abi ako goal to. Usapan niya. Kani dahil usa.
Okay, sis. Okay.
Sis ni Totoy ni sis.
Tawa niya, tawa niya. Dua-dua biyata. Dua-dua biyata.
Ne, barkor na, barkor.
Oh, hindi mo nag-stop lang.
White hair.
Bakit black flip siya?
Energy drink.
Gismog.
Coca-Cola.
Saan ka daanan, Bea? Saan ka daanan ko an?
Energy drink.
Ay,
Coca-Cola.
penong ko, penong.
Ano ito?
Energy drink. Coca-Cola. ASMR.
Inom.
ASMR.
Puno ako inom.
Let me try.
Wala pa gani.
Dre. Go over there, like, there, like.
I'm done. I mean different, you know. You know this.
Kaya ko na sabi, abriasa.
Guys, for some reason, the stairs don't work in this game.
Just try to jump.
See,
Oh, no.
even if I flip. Oh my goodness. What just happened?
Your legs.
Good timing.
Parkour.
I got parkour there. So I parkour here.
Go to the zip line, galing.
Yes, sir.
I love that zip line.
Oh, I know this line.
Don't,
Uy, mong basura, Dre.
don't.
Ikaw pila na ka namatay.
Wala pa.
Oh!
Ay, wala pa ako namatay. Wala pa. Diba? I mean, Mongolian Bricket. Bricket, Mongol.
Bakit?
You naring.
Bruh.
Bro, random. Okay. Okay, guys. Nice to meet you and see you sometime. So take care and see you in the next video.